Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Cookie. I'm Thomas, a Notion and Lark consultant. So basically 2 weeks ago, I spoke with a Malaysia licensee. So he manages multiple branches. So one of the managers said that he wanted to track all the branches' reviews so that they can always constantly improve based on the feedback itself. Of course, they have multiple branches, so it's impossible for them to kind of go through all the reviews, right? And it's a bit tedious as well. So that's why I went back and then came up with an idea. So to create a web app that can scrape through all the data from the branches itself and then have the data goes into either in Excel or into Notion directly, which you can use AI to analyze. This is still a work in progress app, so if you're interested, comments down below. I'll share you the link to try it out. But the idea is very simple. So you come here, you just type out the business name, right? So for example, I'm going to type Ichimachi. So this was a cafe that I went today in Puchong. So the idea is let's click the share, copy the link, and then you put the link here, right? And then you can either schedule it to run automatically, monthly, so you automatically have the latest reviews to your Notion in this case. But for me, I'm just going to do it manually now, and then defaults how long do you want, right? For example, maybe I want to script for 3 weeks. Add to business, and then this is where you have it, and then just click run now. Before I run, I want it to connect to my Notion, so I'm going to click Notion Sync, and then I'm going to select my database, so it's the Ichimachi Google Map Review, click Start, Sync, and just click Run. So it's going to take around like 2-3 minutes, so depends. I'm going to jump to the exact moment. So there you have it. So we have 5 reviews script. I'm going to Notion, and this is where all the reviews are. Now, of course, if it's 5, we can read it, but assuming you have like hundreds of it, right? We can just easily ask AI to help us to analyze as well. But if you're just using Claude, you can actually just download it as a CSV as well, and just upload that file to your Claude or ChatGPT. It can help you to analyze as well. In this case, I'm going to use Notion. Just click on the AI here. So I'm going to ask it to review. So I'm going to select Ichimachi, right? Help me to analyze reviews and suggest improvement for my store. So based on that, you can see that it suggested like what customer like, keep doing, double down, like food was nice, it was thoughtfully prepared, and then they really like the braised pork, braised egg, and then the ramen, and then the value is when it comes to the environment. So of course, this is just coming from 5 reviews. Imagine you have multiple branches, you can ask the AI to analyze all of it at the same time. This will be a very tremendous help. This will be very, very helpful for a business owner or even for the store managers to kind of go through it. That's it for this review. So we help SMEs to apply technology to improve their workflow and also include AI for them to help you to target what your customer actually wants.